Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel App Guide. Today we are here to guide you on how to use your coupons on Shein application. So while placing an order in Shein, you can use the coupons and get some discount on your purchase. So for this, what you need to do is first and foremost open your Shein application on your mobile phone, and here is mine. If you don't have it, you may just download it from your Apple Store or Play Store, Android or iOS. It's the same for both. And once you open it, you can wait for some seconds for the ads to be skipped. So as you can see, like once we entered, they have said that you have received the following coupons. So we have these various coupons on our account. So let's just say okay. On the bottom right corner, there is a person's icon where me is written. Go in there, and in the top left corner you can see coupons, and here I have 3. Tap in there, and so these are the 3 coupons that I currently have. To use the coupons, we need to cross a certain amount of money. Like to use this 10% off coupon, I need to place an order of Australian $49 and above. And to use $15 to $20, I have to purchase something of amount $89 and $139 respectively. So let's go back. So once we go back to the shop, we can just select anything that we want, or for me, I may just go to my cart, my bag, select 5 of this dress which cost me $16. So 5 of this will cost me $84.75. So check out. Once I go to the checkout, I have already typed in my shipping. What forms of payment would I want to go? Let me just go with PayPal. And as I go down, here you can see apply coupon. So if I press in there, I am allowed to use this coupon 10% off, because I am going to place an order of more than $49, so I can use this. So once I select here, the coupon has been activated, and as you can see, my price has gone and the total price has gone down. So if I go to the PayPal, they transfer me to this new page where I may fill in my account details and do the payment procedure. So once I do that, I can just once I do that, all I need to do is wait for the delivery. See, so this is how you can use coupons on Shein application. If this video was helpful in any way, please leave a like, subscribe if you want more of these content, and comment down if you have any queries regarding it. Thank you so much for watching.